No plugins. Dropper for irrigation. Characteristics. It's a novel dropper which can be used both in the gardens of homes and in large-scale cultivation. Its function is to measure the amount of water entering the substrate to feed the plants. The great advantage of this dropper is that it doesn't present clogging because the intake and excuse ducts are very wide. It's a disposable drops and easy to watch. This avoids the use of chemical usually use the clean traditional drippers. This chemical can affect plants. It has a tip that helps to anchor the dropper and direct the water specifically. Installation. The dropper is ready for use. Connect the dropper to the water supply hose. This hose must have an internal diameter of 2 mm and 3 mm of external diameter. This type of hose is the one used in the usually irrigation systems. Insert the dropper. This approximately 3 cm deep on the substrate and open the water supply to check operation. Use. After installation, it's necessary to turn the key depending on the desired flow rate. For each half turn, the flow rate increases 4 liters per hour. As a precaution, a complete flushing of the dropper is recommended.